Hi, my name is Jan, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy pillow cover using just one piece of fabric.
This is a great beginner sewing project because this pillow cover is made with only one piece of fabric. It can be easily cut out and sewn together in less than 15 minutes. There's a flap in the back to insert the pillow form, so no dreaded zipper to sew into the cover. And you can take the pillow cover on and off to wash it or to change it out for another look. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need to make this easy pillow cover are 3/4 yard of fabric, thread to match your fabric, something to measure your fabric with, either a ruler or I like to use my 𝗲𝗡𝗅𝒄𝗏 measuring tool, large scissors to cut out your fabric, and small scissors to use at the sewing machine to cut threads, fabric chalk or marker to mark your fabric for cutting, pins to hold your fabric together, a pillow form or insert. I really like these 𝗕𝗏𝗪𝗀𝗀 soft touch pillow forms, a measuring tape to measure your pillow form, an iron. An optional supply are these fingertip protectors. And of course you'll need a sewing machine. All supplies are listed in the description below this video. Step 1 is to cut out your one piece of fabric. To figure the width of your fabric cut, take your pillow insert size and multiply it by 2 and add 5 inches. The length cut is your pillow insert size. My piece of fabric is cut at 18 inches, the size of my pillow form, times 2 plus 5 inches, which equals 41 inches. My length cut is the size of my pillow form, which is 18 inches. I've created a chart of fabric cuts for common pillow sizes. I like my pillow covers to be snug on the form, so my finished pillow size is 17 inches with an 18-inch insert. To create the hems, fold down 1 inch on one of the short edges of fabric and iron it in place. The next step is to fold the edge of the fabric into the crease, creating a 1/2 inch hem. Then you need to iron the hem in place. Next, you'll want to pin your fabric in place. Follow these same directions for the other short edge of fabric. Next, sew the hem along the folded edge. Here's our finished hem. Be sure to sew the other short side hem too. Lay your fabric face side up on your table. Mark the middle of the fabric on both edges. Fold one edge of the fabric to the middle. From the middle pin to the outside fold should be 1/2 of your pillow insert size minus 1/2 inch. For my pillow, I'm using an 18-inch pillow insert divided by 2 equals 9 inches minus 1/2 inch equals 8.5 inches from the middle pin to the fold. Fold the other half of your fabric using the same measurements. From the center pin to my outer fold is going to be 8.5 inches. Pin both of the raw edges. Sew both of the pinned edges using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Here's our finished 1/2 inch seam allowance. And then follow the same steps for your other pinned edge. If your fabric frays easily, you can use a zigzag stitch along the raw edges. Here's what the zigzag stitch will look like. Now that you've finished sewing your pillow cover, you can turn it right side out, making sure to poke out all 4 of the corners. The last step is to insert your pillow form into your pillow cover. Making sure that all 4 corners of your pillow cover are filled with the pillow insert. And just like that, you're finished with your pillow cover. You've created an easy pillow cover out of just 1 piece of fabric with a flap in the back to remove the pillow insert easily. Happy sewing!